Why does your scanner show the P1400 engine code, and what does it mean? The P1400 engine error code cold start emission reduction in the control system. The P1400 code indicates a problem within the exhaust gas recirculation (EGR) system. In this situation, short-distance driving is acceptable, but it is crucial to have your vehicle repaired as soon as possible. What causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty DPFE sensor, EGR system blockage, damaged wiring or connector, vacuum hose problems, faulty EGR valve. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2-equipped vehicles. The P1400 error code commonly occurs in OBD2 vehicles and is most often found in Ford, Audi, BMW, Volkswagen, and Chevrolet vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.